First of all, English and Chinese share the same SVO structure. That is, subject plus verb or predicate plus object. This is the most typical case, which makes perfect one-on-one matching. I love you. 我爱你. This is Pinyin, the phonetic system for Chinese, which is a tonal language with 4 tones. 我 third tone. 爱 fourth tone. 你 third tone. Here is another example. I'm a student. 我 third tone. 是 fourth tone. 一个 second tone. Fourth tone. 学生 second tone. First tone. 我是一个学生. We can see it's almost one-on-one mapping, but soon we will see it's more than meets the eye. There are no grammatical cases in Chinese. Both I and me map to 我. And there are no inflections for verbs. Am, are, is, was, were. All map to 是. There are no articles such as a, an, and the. Yi is actually one, a number word. But there are measure words, 量词, that are specific to Chinese and some other Asian languages like Thai and Japanese. There are no plurals for nouns. One thing worth noticing is this tone. This is first tone. If you still remember, earlier I labeled the second tone, right? That's something special about yi. It's subject to tone shift in speech flow, depending on the tone that comes next. 一个 second tone, fourth tone. The Chinese language is flexible. It doesn't have to follow rigid rules as long as it's clear. So there may be multiple ways to say the same thing. While 个 is a universal measure word, virtually for anything, here 名 is a more formal measure word. 我是一名学生. 名 is more often used as a noun, which means name. So as a measure word, it refers to any person with a name and identity, either good or bad. 他是一名罪犯. He's a criminal. Pay attention to the tone shift again. Now it's shifted to the fourth tone. 一名 fourth tone, second tone. When the number word is 1, it will often be omitted. And then 个 becomes neutral tone, which is not the fifth tone, but just pronounced very softly. 我是个学生. 我是个学生. It's for easy pronunciation, because if you still try to pronounce the fourth tone, it will be pretty hard and awkward. Less commonly, you can say this, particularly in Beijing dialect. 我是一学生。我是一学生。By the way, Mandarin is based on Beijing dialect. Last but not the least, you can take out all the crap. Of course, 我 is one person. So why would I have to say the number word and the measure word explicitly? 我是学生. It says it all. 我是学生. We are students. 我们是学生. As said before, there are no plurals, and there are no other variations in this case. Please pay attention that this is not women. 我们 third tone and neutral tone.